Vasudevaya Kritavan Sakshiti Devadevaha Aste Swapuryam Yadudevadevo Nirjathashesh Nirdeva Deva Artham Studevo Bhagavan Mukundo Vrihitavan Sekshati Deva Deva Aste Swapuryam Yadudeva Devo Vinirjathashesh Nirdeva Deva Tam Sudevo Bhagavan Mukundo Vrihitavan Sakshati Deva Deva Aste Swapuryam Yadudeva Devo Nirjathashesh Nirdeva Deva And all the kings of the world are with Lord Shri Krishna. He is present in his home with all his family members, the kings and princes of the Yadu dynasty, who have conquered an unlimited number of rulers, and he is the Lord. Vidura gave Dhritarashtra very good counsel regarding political alliance with the sons of Pritha, the Pandavas. The first thing he said was that Lord Krishna was intimately related with them as their cousin. Because Lord Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he is worshipable by all Brahmins and demigods, who are the controllers of the universal affairs. Besides that, Lord Krishna and his royal members, the royal order of the Yadu dynasty, were the conquerors of all kings of the world. The Kshatriyas used to fight the kings of various dominions and kidnap their beautiful princess daughters. After conquering their relatives, this system was laudable because the Kshatriyas and the princesses would be married only on the basis of the chivalry of the conquering Kshatriya. All the young princes of the Yadu dynasty married the daughters of other kings in this way, by chivalrous force. And thus they were conquerors of all the kings of the world. Vidur wanted to impress upon his elder brother that fighting with the Pandavas was fraught with many dangers, because they were supported by Lord Krishna, who had conquered, even in his childhood, demons like Kamsa and Jarasandha, and demigods like Brahma and Indra. Therefore, all universal power was behind the Pandavas. Jnananjana Chalakaya Chakshurumidam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha Sri Chaitanya Vishtam Savitam Yena Bhutale Swaranubhagamayam Tadishvarantikam Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Radha Sri Guru Vaishnavanscha Sri Rupam Sagarajataram Sakala Raghunatham Dham Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijanasritam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Radha Sadhana When Vidura was invited by his elder brother Dhritarashtra for consultation, he entered the house and gave instructions which were exactly to the point. His advice is well known, and instructions by Vidura are approved by expert ministers of the state. Vidura said, "You must now return the legitimate share to Yudhisthira, who has no enemies, and who has been forbearing through untold sufferings due to your offenses. He is waiting with his younger brothers, among whom is the revengeful Bhima, breathing heavily like a snake. Surely you are afraid of him." Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead, has accepted the sons of Pritha as his kinsmen, and all the kings of the world are with Lord Sri Krishna. He is present in his home with all his family members, the kings and princes of the Yadu dynasty, who have conquered an unlimited number of rulers, and he is their Lord. We're reading today from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 3, Chapter 1, entitled Questions by Vidura, text 10 through 12.